Welcome to UTC AI Studio, AI powered, creativity fueled. Today I gave myself a challenge to show you to create cinematic, realistic 3D documentary videos using AI without spending a single penny. No paid tools, no hidden tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you the entire process step by step, which is completely free. Most viewers would love watching professional-looking animated history documentaries. They look expensive and high-end, but only a few creators know how these videos are made at no cost. And to be honest, no one wants to teach it, because the same methods are usually packaged into courses to make money. So, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. If you want real learning, subscribe to UTC AI Studio. Let's jump in. Step 1. Idea and script using ChatGPT. To make this simple, I've already prepared 3 powerful prompts for you all, so the entire process becomes automated. You'll find the link in the description, so no confusion or guesswork. We start with ideas and script generation using ChatGPT. Open the document, copy the first prompt, paste it directly into ChatGPT and hit enter. In the first step, I ask ChatGPT to generate short cinematic history documentary ideas that can work within 60 seconds. The focus is on globally important topics like famous monuments, major world events, wars, lost civilizations, and breakthrough inventions. The goal is simple: fact-based, curiosity-driven titles that feel professional and instantly clickable, with no extra explanations. Instantly, you'll get 10 high-impact historical documentary ideas, specially designed to work within 60 seconds. If you don't like the ideas, just type "try again" and a new list will be generated. Once you pick a topic, it's time to write the full documentary script. Go back to the document, copy the second prompt and paste it into the same ChatGPT conversation. In the second step, I use ChatGPT to turn the selected topic into a short, professional documentary narration. The script is written in clear, simple English, stays under 60 seconds, and focuses only on historically accurate facts. It's designed as smooth, cinematic voiceover text, so the story flows naturally and explains why the topic mattered in world history. Before you hit enter, replace the topic inside the brackets. For example, how Angkor became a lost city. Hit enter and within seconds, you'll get a short, professional documentary narration with a cinematic and informative tone, fully ready for voiceover. Step 2. Visual breakdown. Before creating audio, we need to break the script visually. So go back to the document, copy the third prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. In the third step, I ask ChatGPT to break the narration into clear visual scenes and convert each one into realistic 3D text-to-video prompts. These prompts are optimized for cinematic lighting, accurate scale, and smooth camera movement. Landscape growth animation is used only where it makes sense, so the visuals stay realistic, historically accurate, and professional. Step 3. Voiceover. Now let's create the voiceover. Copy the entire script from ChatGPT and open ElevenLabs. Paste it into the script editor. Select a documentary-style voice. Adjust speed or tone if needed. Generate the voiceover. Download the audio. That's it. Step 4. Visuals. Now it's time to generate the visuals. Open grok.com. This tool is completely free, and with one account you can generate 20 videos of 5 seconds per day. You can also use Gemini, but it has 3 videos per day cap of 8 seconds. Click on the Imagine tab. From ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the first scene and paste it into Grok. Set the video ratio to 3:2. Make sure you select video before hitting generate. Within few seconds, your first cinematic scene will be ready. Download it. Repeat the same process, scene by scene. By the end, your entire mini documentary clips are ready. Step 5. Final edit. Finally, bring everything together to CapCut. Import all video clips and the voiceover. Drag everything onto the timeline. Adjust each clip length if needed. Place the voiceover on the timeline and align every scene with the narration. Add auto-generated captions. If you want, you can also add subtle background music to enhance the atmosphere. Once everything looks right, export the video, and you're done. Now you can create unlimited professional-looking documentary videos using just ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and Grok completely free. If this video helps you, do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching UTC AI Studio, AI-powered, creativity fueled. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, as always, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating with AI.